Allie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video, and this is just going to be my June 2018 favorites. If you have missed any of my past favorites videos, I will have the playlist linked down below for you guys, as well as all the products mentioned in this video in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off, I have two clothing favorites. The first one are these rose gold glittery sandals, and I absolutely love these. These are from Madden Girl, and I got them from Burlington, and they were less than $15, which is nice, and they are basically Birkenstock lookalikes. I actually think these are a lot more comfortable. I have gotten more compliments on these shoes than I ever have on anything in my entire life. Everyone is always asking me where I got them, telling me they're cute, and my favorite part is that the glitter doesn't come off, and I have been wearing these a ton lately. Next up is a swimsuit, and this is from Adore Me. I've been working with them for forever now, and I love everything they have, especially their swimsuits because I do have a bigger bust, and I actually included this in an entire Adore Me haul, which I will leave down below for you guys. This is just the Adore Me Kaylee one-piece swimsuit, and it just looks like your average one-piece swimsuit. It's more of a sporty style, and it covers you completely, which is nice. And I really like that the back doesn't come up that high. I cannot stand when they come up super high off your back. I would rather it be sitting just above my butt crack. And this print is obviously like the cutest thing ever. It is just navy blue with a bunch of flowers, and I have worn this almost every single day that I have gone to the beach or the pool because I love it that much. And what's really nice is that it does have the built-in shelf, and you guys can actually get your first set from Adore Me for less than $30 if you use my link below. Moving on to beauty, I have four favorites. The first one is just the Too Faced Hangover RX primer, and I just have the deluxe travel size, and I got it at Sephora. I absolutely love this stuff. I cannot tell you enough good things about it. I actually recently included it in my first impressions video, which I will leave down below for you guys, and this stuff is amazing. If you guys would like to see my first impression, be sure to go watch that video. It's not thick, it doesn't make you oily, and it also smells really good. I've also really been loving the MAC Prep and Prime, and again, I do have the deluxe travel size, and I'm never one to really like spend a lot of money on makeup. However, the deluxe sample sizes are always reasonably priced, and it makes it so you can try out a product without committing to the full product and paying an arm and a leg. And let me tell you, once this is out, I will most definitely be buying the full-size version. I got this at Ulta. I think it was probably around like $12 or $15, and let me tell you, it is worth it. I use it to spray off my beauty blender to get it moist instead of going to the sink and dampening it, and it works just as well. I use it to prime my face, set my makeup. Also, if you want to have like really vibrant eyeshadows, you can spray your eyeshadow brush with this and then use the eyeshadow, and it's also just very nice and feels overall just refreshing. And this is actually the first thing I've ever tried from MAC. I've also really been loving this product, which is just the Cella eyelash conditioning treatment, and basically you just take it and it has a little brush and you brush it along your lash line, and it is supposed to help the growth of your lashes, and I have been loving this. I love wearing mascara and I love fake eyelashes. However, sometimes I just don't have the time for it, and I have really stubby eyelashes, or at least I think I do. So I really wanted to try this, and let me tell you, I am not let down by it at all. I absolutely love it, and I have definitely seen a difference. And what's really nice is that this is prostaglandin free, and it is super easy to use. You put it on first thing in the morning before your makeup after you've cleansed your face, and then you put it on after you've cleansed your face at night before you go to bed. Lastly, for the beauty category, I have a lotion. This is just from Bath & Body Works, and it is the Island White Sand body cream, and it has Tahitian Manoe oil. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. And let me tell you, it smells like the beach. It smells like sunblock, coconut, and I'm gonna go ahead and read the fragrance notes for you guys because you guys all know I suck at describing scents. And it says sparkling tangelo, sheer sands, white orchid, island driftwood, and coconut water. And you can actually get this free if you pay attention to the Bath & Body Works coupons, because if it says you get a free item with a purchase, you can literally go in and get one of the $1.50 hand sanitizers and then get this free, and this retails for $13.50. So fun fact, be sure to pay attention to coupons. Moving on, I have four pretty random favorites. The first one is my new iPad case, and I got this for the 2018-2019 school year, and it is just a black OtterBox. They were on sale at Walmart for $15 at the beginning of the month, which is absolutely insane because they normally retail for $50. I've been wanting an OtterBox for so long, but because they are so expensive, I just haven't been able to get one. And so when I saw that they were in the sale section for $15, I was super excited and got one, and it's just black. And even though I really would prefer a color, I am so happy that I do have one and that I didn't have to pay an arm and a leg for it. So it has definitely been a favorite. Another favorite of mine has been my new EpiPens, and I recently switched from the actual EpiPens to the AUVI-Q brand ones. And let me just say, I absolutely love them. I will actually be doing an entire comparison video between the two, so be on the lookout for that. And these are just what they look like. This is just the trainer, and what's really nice about these is that they talk and will walk you through the entire process. Even the real ones do, just the same as the trainer. So if you have an allergic reaction and you aren't with anyone that knows how to use an EpiPen and you can't physically do it yourself, they can easily help you because it will walk them through the entire process. This is just what it sounds like.
This trainer contains no needle or drug.
And then it'll go through and say to pull the cap, and then
out.
And I just think that these are really nice. They're also a lot smaller. Obviously, I don't know how like the actual medication works because I haven't had to use it, but epinephrine is epinephrine. I don't think there's going to be a difference, but I can definitely say I really like these. Sticking with the allergy trend, I've also been loving this North Face Sprout backpack. This is what I use as my allergy bag, and I actually did a video previously on my channel all about what is in here. So if you guys would like to see that, I will have it linked down below for you guys. I just absolutely love it. It is the perfect size for me to keep all my allergy stuff in. I'm able to keep a hand sanitizer on it, and so far this is the best allergy bag I think I've ever had. This thing goes with me absolutely everywhere because I do have food allergies, and it's not heavy, it holds a ton, and it wasn't expensive. And my last favorite for the month is this bracelet. This is called a Cape Cod bracelet, and it is from Cape Cod Jewelers. I got this from my grandfather and my step-grandmother for my graduation. I haven't taken this off since the day I got it, and I got it back in the beginning of May. I absolutely love it. I've gotten to the point where I don't even feel that I'm wearing it anymore, and I also love that it is two-toned. It is a silver bracelet, and then it has the gold bead to attach them. So those are all my favorites for the month of June. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button to see new videos from me each week. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!